When say love me, yeah. When say love me, yeah. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. I am so excited. Yeah, I did. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. It's so cold in here. Oh God, it's so cold. What? What is it, darling? Okay. Yan, nakaroon na. You get it. Because when you get it, you get it. Check. Miss Chanel. Miss Chanel. Dapat talagang contour is contour, mama. Ano yan? Putek, mama. That is how I contour, darling. 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 Miss Chanel. Miss Yuki. When ka punta ng Laguna? I don't know. You tell me. You guys tell me when. Because I'll be there. Check. Hello, everyone. It's nice to see you guys. It's nice. In stocks? I'm gonna warm up my face, darling. I'm just gonna make pirma. This, Aww. Ang dami naman ito, uwis. These are my in-stocks. Ay, hindi ka mapakita.
Limited lang.
Limited edition daw. Char. It's limited edition, you guys. Earth Boutique. Look, oh. Oops. Juica, Love, Joy, Hope. Love, Joy, Hope. I'm gonna make perma this one. Cute ko naman here.
Bakit nga si Albert?
Huy! Shay, tawag ka nila. Dalin. Nasa Kasuri, Dubai. Oh my God, I want to go to Dubai. Sa mga tao dyan. Please. Please, I'm a star. I'm a fucking star. The whole world is gonna
Guys, hello. Makeup lagi.
Sorry, Dubai. Yes, I will go to Dubai. Soon. I'm just making perma here, guys. I miss you all. I miss you all, guys. How are you? How's life been? Are we thriving? Are y'all guys thriving or not? Ano ka naman? Uy, ay bugs kay ko.
Dili ako nag-choose na naman good. Di man.
Ay bugs mo?
Di man, ako to man.
Pogi ni Shay through
Yok.
Igop. Guys, please, story nyo and use hashtag Shay Pogi.
Wag na.
Ay hashtag Shay Igop.
Sobrang cringe. Pagtatawanin lang ako.
Sige, go.
Tatawanin lang ako ng mga tao.
No, you are really gorgeous, my love.
No.
Mother, sa year-end party namin, mag-your face sounds familiar. Ako, tapos, nakuha kita. Wow! Wow, thank you. Galingan mo, ah. Hi, Kikebs. Ano yun? Kikebs. Sa'yo kahapon sa Camp Bell House, Secret Cotton. Yes, hello. Mga nakakilala pa pala sa akin.
Love Kira. When I was young, I played for fun, made out the words nobody heard. And now you see all eyes on me, and suddenly I'm in a dream. I got a feeling now everything's right somehow. Here I am, being who I want, getting what I want, never a doubt now. Light up the dark again, just wanna. Princess, just wanna have fun. There's a star inside you, so come on and let it out. Anybody get it better, just stop. Here I am.
Live na naman ang mahal kong bayot. Don't call me bayot, we're not close, bitch. I hate that. I hate that word. Don't call me that. Or even, hi, Bax. Just call me by my name, darling. Boses Kiki. Hello, Miss Jade. Miss Jade sa esa ka para sa alasto.
Uy, ibakot na yung mga...
Kapos sa sala pa. Chupa sa titso. Kura para karasa ka. Harasa. Hi, Jade. What do you want, darling? Pin ka sa akin ngayon.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Can you say mama? Mama. Ha ha.
Kanina mo pa tinatanong kung may kuryente dyan. Yes, darling. Here in Baguio, depende kasi sa bibisita. Oo. Saktong ikaw yun. So sabi ko, let's turn on the lights. Hoy, buyag. Sana wag naman, no? Hindi naman masyadong malakas yung ulan, pero umuulan. Bakit hindi ko matuwid yung pirma ko? Parang bata lang yung nagpipirma. Oh my God. Low-key, kinda cute though. Kinda cute though. Kinda cute though. Kinda cute though. Bakit ganito, wala? Bakit may nagko-comment ng tite? Guys, nasa Baguio ako ngayon. I am at the Hive Bar. I am doing my makeup. And 9 p.m. mag-start ang meet and greet. So,
Gusto mag-walk-in.
you can still walk in, you know. Kailan ba magka-concert sa Laguna? Oh my god, you guys. I want to travel more, but it's just, I don't know, like, how do we do it? I want to travel, I want to see people, I want to connect with nature. Get to know you guys better. Saan ka sa Baguio? Nasa ano ko? Nasa The Hive Bar. Julit-julit ah. I miss you all, guys. Like, literally. I miss you guys so freaking muchy. Yeah, my teeth are yellow here. Hindi ko pa siya napapagawa, but it's natural. Kasi ito, hindi to totoo eh. Hindi to totoo! Hindi to totoo! What about it? What about... Ala, muta ko, oh. Sino gusto ng muta dyan? Magdodonate ako. Siya. Ah! No!
No, no, no. No, 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 silly.
You know it's crazy? What? We finish each other's sandwiches. That was I was gonna say. Punta ka dito sa Pangasinan. Alam nyo? Send nyo Gcash, dali. Punta ako sa bahay nyo. Give me money, darling. I need money. I need money, honey. I need money, honey. San lupalop ng Baguio? Sa The Hive nga. Saan ba itong The Hive? The Hive Bar. Punta ka ng Grab. Delis. Grab. Dali, open mo na. And then, you go to the search. Pindutin mo yung car. Pindut mo na. After you search The Hive Bar. And then, book now, and then, you'll be here. Ito Gcash number niya. Guys, etong number na to, tawagan niyo yan pag umaga. I-text niyo yan. Tawag-tawagan niyo yan. Tapos i-bash niyo. Bash nyo yan. Yay! Last two, darling. Shoutout Kiana. Hi, 02JXRL. I miss you, Jade Saw. Esoteric. Pasa. Katapusa. Pinuki siya. Pinuki siya. Pinuki siya. Nakakainis yung mga ganyang comment. Kumanta siya, guys. Kumanta siya. Sumayaw siya. What the fuck? You guys are weirdos. What in the fuck? Nag-comment siya. Pinin niya. The helly. Anyway, I am done with the pirma. Pag ito, hindi nyo inavail, tangina nyo na lang talaga. Sampa to. Bilhin nyo na to! For sale. For sale. Gcash daw. I-Gcash niya. Nag-Gcash siya. Each ball, mama. That's so each ball. The concept of it all, it's so very each ball. Even the word each ball, it's so... Each ball. Buisit ka, Jade. Pauso mo yan. Kasalanan mo to. Kasalanan siya. Saan loob? Hala? Also?
Ano siya, may bago ka kang gipatay kasi nila. Babago. Pag siyempre gipatay. Kaya niyo, kung sila mga ano.
Oh my gosh! Nga naging tai chi man aniya.
Hindi siya matapos.
Ay, nga nung na tai chi siya.
Wala ko balo.
That would be your assignment.
Iluba siya sa liod.
Oh my gosh.
Naisa man sa magyang kamot sa minimum, nilaban pa siya.
I feel like dalawa lang, pwedeng ano eh. Ang choices are, may inutangan.
Natangan.
Bakit pinatay, or pinagtripan lang siya?
Pili, yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao, para daw kinol daw. Tapos naglaban.
Hold up. Tangina, ang dami na nangyayari sa ano I hate it. Kaya ayoko mag-Facebook, ang daming ano eh. Bad news.
Actually nga, sa Facebook mo.
I don't want, darling.
Actually, totoo sa Facebook, maraming mga Facebook, puro batayan, mga
Uy,
kriminal.
I'm gonna do our eyeshadow. What type of eyeshadow are we gonna do?
Rainbow LGBT flag.
Sabi naman eh.
I'm missing out. I'm missing out. That's so wild. I'm missing out. I'm missing out. I'm missing out.
Parang aso, uy. Parang tuta.
Missing out.
Ayo, boss. My goodness. Don't do that, girl. Don't do that, girl. Chanel. Pa-shoutout kaya na ano. Hindi na ano mo. Yellow. Okay, let's do, dahil gusto mo ng yellow, magba-brown tayo.
There's a girl in the bubble, the pink shiny bubble.
So we're gonna start here. We're gonna do a transition shade. Ano ba? YouTuber, mama. Transition shade, darling. Kakainis yung muta naman na to. Sinong gusto ng muta dyan? Do-donate ako, dali na. This is A cute shade. A transition shade. Ayan. Let's blend. I'm going. Okay, ingat, darling. May mga nag-questions. May mga questions niya eh. Parang what the fuck? Okay. Mag-ano tayo? Maroon. Na eyeshadow. Ooh. Love. I'm sure, bitch. What the hell is happening, darling? Hala, asa to kung carton na pang trace? No!
Saan mo nilagay?
No!
Diyan ba? Wag!
I just put it in here. Where is it, darling? Where is it? What the hell? What the hell?
Ako na ito yung setup ng night.
Mong giguluhan ang ana. Ang kemang. Ang kemang. Sige, mahulog na lang. Mahulog kayong lahat. There's a tight suit, motherfucker. There's some nice boots, motherfucker. Why you always gotta lie to, little brother? Acting like we both are high school, motherfucker. Word in the streets, you're bird of the beats. Boys want a handful of grabbing the cheeks. You know what, bad boys don't treat us nicely. So I. Oh, yun lang, hanggang dun lang. It's a sticker. Stickeriana. I'm gonna get the and we're gonna blend it, darling. You know now. You know the drill, darlings. Okay. See? Just makes life so easy. It's got me aching, it's got me thinking. Am I gay or am I just angry? And I have too much tolerance. You ugly and fine as shit. And if I had more common sense, then I would grab my ride and dip.
And I had too much tolerance. You ugly and fine as shit. And if I had more common sense, then I would grab my ride and dip. You're so strange with your stupid face. My way.
Ang taas na nito. Ang taas. Ang taas!
Ooh, new fans gang, you're my hero. Busted it under the who.
For some reason, hindi ko mapantay yung mata ko. Diday, help me. Chay. What is going on up in this face? Bakit di ko siya mapantay? Okay. Medyo nanahimik tayo, guys, kasi you know na the eyeshadows are the eyes. Huh? Ano daw? So I'm doing my makeup right now. Sa mga kakapasok lang. What's Humpty Dumpty? Hi, Sir Bang Pineda. I miss you so much. I miss you so much, Jolene. I'm busy lagi. No, I'm just, busy-busyhan. Kasi pag wala akong gagawin, mag-overthink ako. You know na. I'm just gonna blend this kasi mga queens dito sa Baguio ang galing mag-makeup, like literally. So we need to do our face the way it's supposed to be. Ano daw? Alam, may nabibidyo ko sa ano. I know your eyes in the morning sun touch me in the pouring rain. I know your eyes in the morning.
Mag-ano tayo? Mag-dress the box tayo.
Touch me in the pouring rain.
Tapos,
And the moment that you wander far from me.
ang mananalo ay magkakaroon ng Oceanic Cup. Sige na.
What's in the box?
Palaro siya. Sige na, tara may.
Palaro tayo sa live.
Sige na!
Wag na lang mag-meet and greet, no? Maglaro na lang.
Wow, kanina pa talaga mataas yung time. Ang tagal mo talaga mag-makeup dyan. Ay, wag na nga. Libang ko.
Halina, okay, guess what's in the box tayo?
Wag na! Natatay ako.
Guess what's in the box? Tayo.
Wag na, uy. Malibang sa.
Uy!
Manaw sa isa. Asa susi na si mo?
Sa ubos ka Bangladesh?
Hindi. Love, joy, hope! Love, joy, hope! Love, joy, hope! No, nawala na kaya bilang.
Nasa imo, Ikaw last, darling. Hindi na pala matutuloy ang what's in the box kasi
Ibang sa kuya.
baka not what's in the box, it's what's in the pants.
Ay, si Baku yawa.
What's in the pants? Igit!
Tissue. Alcohol.
Char. Iyag yung yun sa live para ignon gid. Iyag yung yun sa live para ignon na ka na mag-alcohol di ay. Di ay, dire-diretso na. How deep into that I really need to learn. Living in a world of who breaking us down, and they all should let us be. Belong to you and me. How deep is your love? We're gonna put this para snatched. Snatch, mama. Pag nag-false lashes ka ba, nagmamascara ka po ba? Yes. I learned this hack from... Yung makeup artist ni Kim Kardashian. Pag naglalagay siya ng falsies, naglalagay pa ng mascara para mas natural looking. And to answer that question, yes. The answer is yes, Jalen. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with this color. Nag-try ako ng makeup. Ayan. Sa concert ni Doja. Yung maroon. I love it. Ang ganda pala. You just have to explore, darling. I'm gonna show you a trick. You guys. As you can see, wala pang... I'm gonna show you a trick. Wait. I'm gonna show you a trick. So you need your clear lash glue and a very shimmery eyeshadow. And what you're gonna do... Uy! Sorry. I'm a bit shocked. So I'm gonna get these. And then... just a slight amount lang naman. Ganyan. Take your fingers. Blend it, mama. And if it feels tacky na, you're gonna get your shimmer para mas long wear siya. Ayan. This is my shimmer. I'm gonna apply it. Just tapping it to the eyelids. Di ba? Tangina, mahulog ka na lang. See? I told you! So, meron pa yan. Ante, di ba? Eyeshadow siya, hindi siya loose. I'm gonna take my clear again. And we're just gonna apply it again. Like, literally, makes life more easier, huh? So kahit anong gawin mo, ayun yun siya. Okay, that's it. That's it. It's Miss Cynthia. So, there you have it! Ganda. Diba, I told you so. Si Shay, tumatay. Mga pwede bang mag-invite guest speakers or how? I'm not really good at speaking, especially sa public. Because I have a fear of, ano tawag dyan? Fear of speaking up. Charas. Yes, meron akong may ganyan akong so I don't want to. It's just one of my insecurities, Now what we're gonna do, ganito lang, virtual check. Yes. Obsessed with this look. I'm just gonna take more maroon and I'm just gonna yeah. Pumangit. Okay, blend na natin. Gaganda yan. Why don't you tell me why it hurts now, baby? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Ay, kailangan ko lang yan. The Hive. Wait. The Hive. The Hive bar. So, okay, let's go to eyeliner na. There's nothing we can't do about that. Look at my eyeliners. Hindi ko pa na-open to. Look at these eyeliners. Like, hello? 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 So, ito yung mga eyeliners ko. Hindi ko alam if gumagana ba to lahat, pero I think we need to declutter. So, let's try this first. Matte kasi to, so madali siyang mag-dry. So, let's try it. Oh, it's still working. Yeah. Check for you. Yeah, still working then. Pumasok sa mata ko. Still working. Poke ng ina. Still working. Working then. Now we're gonna put ganyan. Alipin mo kahit sana ay iyong naririnig sa iyong yakap ako'y nasasabik. Ganun, di ba? Feel a feel. I'm gonna take this one. The difference, right? It's just more. Okay. Now we're just gonna take ang totoong eyeliner. Ang dami kasi. So ito na lang gamitin natin. This is good as new. Gumagana pala lahat. Wala lang in case mawalan ako. Hi, ma. Batiin mo ako. No! Aaminin ko minsan ako'y manirit iyong naririnig. Okay, work. Work, mama, yes, God! Kamusta naman kayo? Miss ko na Maxiano. Me too. Try. Okay lang yan. Ako'y alipin mo. Ayun na, I feel like nag-open na. So, see you later, darling. Oh, that's kind of cute. Okay. I'm gonna do our eyeliners.
Toot, toot, toot. Doo-doo-doo. Toot, 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 toot.
Bye-bye na muna. I need to be quick. Kasi ano oras na. Bye-bye.